Of course. What would you like to appointment for?
May I have an appointment for a consultation about my frequent headache?
Sure. When are you available?
Can I schedule an appointment for tomorrow morning?
Let me check. Yes, we have an opening at 10 a.m. Would that work for you?
That would be perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Hello, ma'am. I just need a few details to book the appointment. Can I have your name, please?
Sure, I am Heart Anya Pasqua.
Thanks, ma'am. Where are you from?
I live in Nagpanden, Gimba, Nueva Ecija.
Got it. May I have your contact number, ma'am?
Yes, it's 0951
And how old are you, ma'am?
I'm 11 years old.
All right, ma'am. What seems to be the problem?
I've been getting really bad headache these past few days.
I see. When are you available to come in?
I'm free tomorrow morning.
Perfect. I'll set the appointment for tomorrow morning. You're all set.
Hi again. I just saw the doctor earlier and I'd like to come back for a follow-up checkup.
Of course, no problem. When would you like to come in?
Is next week Wednesday afternoon okay?
Let me check. Yes, we have a slot at 2 p.m. And shall I book you that for you?
Yes, that works for me. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you next Wednesday at 2 p.m. Good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning. I like to introduce myself. My name is Heart Andre Pascal and I'm a recent marketing graduate.
Nice to meet you, Hart. Can you tell me about your experience?
Sure. During my internship, I worked on advertising campaigns and collaborated with the creative team.
Sounds interesting. What about your skills?
After that, I talk about my skill. I'm good at communication and teamwork and solving problems under pressure.
Great. Lastly, why are you interested in this job?
I'd like to mention I'm patient about marketing and I'm excited to go and learn more in your company.
Thank you, Hart. We'll be in touch soon. Why do you think you are suited for this job?
I believe that my experience is highly relevant to this position. One important point is that I have strong communication skills. Another point to consider is my ability to work under pressure. I would like to emphasize that my dedication continues to learning.
Are you ready to handle the responsibilities here?
Yes, I understand that I must meet deadlines and maintain professionalism. It is necessary for me to work well with a team. I am required to attend regular training sessions. I also have to ensure I follow company policies.
Before we finish, do you have anything else to say?
Yes, I hope to be given the opportunity to work with your team. Wish to grow and develop my skill in this position. I'm hoping for a positive response to my application. I wish to contribute the success of your company.